Prom season. If you're doing your own makeup and you don't know where to start, I'm here to help, bitches. Start by exfoliating your face. This will give you the smoothest base application. Me and these first day beauty pads, we locked in. This is the look I do when people ask me to just do whatever I want because it flatters everyone. A little bit on the fuller glam side, so I'm gonna fill in my brows with the Kosas pencil. Start with just lining the bottom and then I fill it in. Get to the front, I go a little bit lighter and then I take my spoolie and I blend that edge so it's not super harsh. And tinted brow gel to fill in a little bit more and set the hairs in place. Carving out my brows and blending the concealer all the way down my lid here. Use the OG Patrick Ta palette, this shade right here, and I'm blending it all over my lid and up. Leave this bright if you like a brighter inner corner. But I'm trying to make this look as easy as possible for y'all, so go for it, girl. I liked winged out eyeshadow, so I really like to bring it out here because we're going to clean her up at the end. For depth, I'm using this shade right here, and we're going to go at the edges. This is also a little bit warmer of a tone. I'm not really letting this go past my crease too much. You can totally just add a shimmer in this inner part, wipe it up, and call it a day. But a wing will really take it there, promise you. This brown shade here, just line it up with the bottom waterline and go upwards. The line on the bottom, and then I start to connect those two lines together. I want my eyes to be as open as possible, so I'm stopping the line about halfway in my eye, then lining this inner rim part right here. This part about doing shadow with wings is that if you make the line a little too long or mess up, you can just take a Q-tip and wipe it away. Softening and smoking it out with that shade right here. Right over top of it, very light pressure. Go ahead and cleaning it up and snatching. Mix the two shimmers in this palette and then tap on my lid right here. Mood for this to be a little bronzy, so I'm adding some Too Faced Magic Shimmer on top of that. Okay, yeah. Really taking the time to make sure my lashes look good because I only use clusters on the end. Those are so much more comfortable to wear than lashes all night. The way the dry mascara flakes with a spoolie and she just comes off. Kiss lashes in Airy Wispy. They're super natural and easy to apply. I love these style. I like to avoid dark eye makeup when I'm taking pictures because that tends to make my eyes smaller. When I smile, you can still see my eyes. Skin prep, I'm going to use the Rhode Glazing Milk, the N Beauty Elastic Skin, and then the Refi Firm Primer. Just prep to your skin type. I have dry skin, so the more moisturizer, the better. So for long wearing makeup, I like to use a tacky primer. This NYX Face Glue is my favorite. I don't think I need all that since I'm just prepping my skin now. If you're dry or oily, make sure you're using a moisturizer before your foundation. It makes the biggest difference. Anastasia Impeccable Skin Foundation. If you want a perfect flawless base, you have to use something full coverage. Foundation is my fucking crack. Look how blurred it is. I'm in love with the Rare Beauty contour. This is in Solace. When you guys say you do your makeup and it looks like you have nothing on, that's because you're not using enough. Don't be scared of it, I promise. Going ahead and bronzing my neck. I like to take the foundation brush and blend the edges of it. Keep in mind, only about half your makeup's actually going to show up on camera anyways. That's why this is the time to put it on, girls. Cat bit my nose this morning and now I have like a red little scar. That's really normal. I'm in the mood for a light peachy blush. This is the e.l.f. cream blush in the shade Peach Perfect. It's a lighter color. I like to do 3 dots because I want that to really show up. Forgot to use my Kosas little pink color corrector and I'm so sad about it. More can't hurt anyone, right? This Armani concealer is literally like silk. Shape out my concealer. I feel like it makes such a difference rather than just blending it right away. To carve out my nose right here. My upstairs neighbors are doing fucking river dancing. They're like constantly banging on the floor. I can't wait to move out. Blend out my under eyes last to get the most coverage and the least creasing. Blending the edges first, then slowly work your way into the flappy creases. Set my under eyes with the pressed powder, then a loose one. Notice that helps the best with creasing. The puff in my T-zone, that gives you the most blurred finish. Regular pressed powder everywhere else. Set the bronzing areas. I know it seems like a lot because it is. That's how you get the most long-lasting, flawless base. Using Miss Milani Luminoso. This has a little bit of a glow in it. Now I go in with loose powder to brighten and double set. Statue Lip Stain in Mauve. I recommend using a lip stain under your lip liner so when that fades, you still got something. Under eyes, super easy. Just use the lightest brown shade and smoke it out. There's a light shimmer in here for my inner corner highlight. I like to put it just a little bit under my inner corner. That was such a good peel and I didn't even get it. The Huda liners in Pinky Brown. Some of the most long-lasting lip liners I've ever tried. Mario Rosewater Super Shine. I'm a lip gloss girl, but lipstick lasts longer. Almost forgot to highlight the rest of my face. Am I okay? No. Highlighter picks up on texture, and that's why I keep my base pretty matte. Pimples are not gonna be popping puss in these photos, okay? Nude pencil in my waterline right here. This will make your eyes bigger. Never use white. I've said it like 100 times. Don't do. Fact about me, I've actually never went to my own prom. I was my little cousin's date to hers last year, and my video went viral, and that was like a whole moment for me. So don't feel bad if you're not going to your prom this year, because I promise it is not that fun anyway. I'll touch a little brown mascara on the bottom because it's a bit softer than black. Big my eyes look. Yeah, they will not get lost in focus. This Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting spray because it dries matte and it won't mess up the finish of this. Also love my girl Charlotte and the L'Oreal like hairspray ass aerosol setting spray. And this is the Bad Bitchification. It will flatter pretty much everyone. I can't think of an eye shape it would look bad on. If you use this look, please tag me. I'd die to see. Hope this helps. Bye bitches.